Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see that how many users ThreadApp have. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first method is you simply need to go onto the Play Store and you simply need to search for the ThreadApp and scroll down. And here you can see the total downloads, and here you can see 10 million plus. You can see download on your Apple iPhone as well on the App Store. And after that you simply need to go on to the Google and search for how many users ThreadApp have. So how many users ThreadApp have. So here you can see that currently on up to the 8th July, it reached 100 million users both on iOS and Android. So this is the process by which you can see how many users ThreadApp have. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.